In this video, we'll learn how to use Word 2013 to create a template. First, let's see example. So when we open Word, we have a group of templates, but we also can use personal templates, like here. Means this is a template we can create by ourselves. Let's say this example, marketing survey. So this is a template we create. In this template, we have those is called we can type some name, position. Here we can put some, choose the date. Here we have list for salesperson. That is a marketing survey. So here we choose location. Then we can have those are called the top three, like Mansfield. Here we can insert the image. We can choose image somewhere. Is this called the smart art? We can have checkbox. So that is a template. With template, we can easily make our work done quickly. So today we'll learn how to create a template like this. To do that, first we need to create a new file. We start from blank document. Then for this one, we move aside. Okay. First, we will type the title and make it a little bigger. And we use this as title here. Title, move in the center. Okay. Then we insert a table, 4x8 table. Then we, for the first three, we adjust the width. To make it quickly, I just copy. We want to use those as title, so I just copy from other place. This is name. We have extension and then location, and this side we have position, date, and here we have this column. We need to merge cells, and then to make this we need to merge again. Then we will use it for the top tool. This is most popular. We want this the popular three. This one just the top one. And here we merge the cells of them. Then because we want to ask the customer to choose activities. For activities, we have like a presentation, promotion, something like this. So, and finally, this one we need to merge again. We want to use comments. Okay, then save it. This is important because we're working with a template. So we need to save it as a template. Go to File, Save As, choose any location. Here, we need to choose the extension name as Word template. That will be DOTX. You can use any name. That is fine. Let's say marketing. And remember here, we have DOTX, means we have a template. With the template, something we need to have a developer manual here. If you didn't say on your computer, you need to go to File, the Options, the Customize ribbon. You need to click this Developer, this one. Make sure you click it. You choose it. Then you can have the developer here. For a developer, go to Developer. We have Design Mode. We need to turn the design mode on. For the name, we choose this called Rich Text. So let's look at the property. So that we use this for name. And we type here, say, enter the full name here. We also can change the size. Color. For the position, we use this one, plain text, because we don't want so rich style. Go to properties. We need a tag for every control. This one will be job, and we want to choose a style that will be used strong. And for the date, we'll use this one. This one is called the date picker. And go to property. We need to have name. And we can choose the format. And for the cells, this we use is called the combo list. And then go to properties. This will be cells. And we can add some salesperson's name like John, Mike, Jenny. You can change the order by doing this. For the branch, the same. We need some location when we use the combo box again. And property, this will be and we add some location in Mansfield, like Westboro, like a Corning. And for the presentation rows, we need to have a checkbox. So we use checkbox here, properties, activity. We can choose the different symbol. The default one is like this. We can change it. You can choose any one you like. For example, you can choose like OK. This one. Then we want to copy it to all of those. And then click this. Choose this row. We want to put it in the center. Then for the top tool, we want to use developer the picture. And when we select the picture, we have for picture tools. We can choose the picture style. You can choose any style. And for here we want to have most popular 3. We want to use the list. Here we will use something, it's called the smart art. To do that, first we need to create a smart art. It's called a block. So click File, New. We start from blank document. Then we type the name. Then we insert Smart Art. We use vertical box list, and we can change different color. Then we select all, use the Control A. Here is something important. Go to Insert. We'll have Quick Paths. Click it. We have Save Selection to Quick Path Gallery. We assign name for the list. So this means we design this as a block. Then we can use the block in any other documents. The name of block is called list. So let's close it. Go to here. Then go to developer, and this time we'll choose, it's called the building block gallery. Here we have quick paths. We click here. We can choose the list. This we just create. And because the size too big, we just click it. We adjust the size. Okay. Actually, when we're doing this, something important. Let's redo it. Something important here, when we work with the block, we need to turn off the design mode. Make sure we turn off the design mode. Then we can use the block. Yeah, do it again from the list. Then adjust the size. Otherwise, we have a little problem. So we make sure we turn off the design mode. Okay. Then finally, we need to do something with extension. Extension is suppose some number. We turn on the design mode. We use from here. This is called legacy tools. Click it. We have text font field. Click it and double click it. We asked for some number. The default number is 100. We also, the maximum length will be 3. Click OK. We do the same thing for the comments here. Go to Next Tools. This is a text font field. Double click it. This time we want to make sure the format is uppercase. Okay. Then save it. Then we're almost done. Something we want to change a little about the format of the table. We select the first 3 and also the other, we hold the control key, other 4. Then we go to here, we have it's a table. Table go design. You can say this is design. We go layout. In layout, we have properties. Then we go to cell. We want to put everything center. Click OK. So we put everything in the center. The last thing we want to do, because we are doing a template, we only want to use it to type information, but we don't use it to change like the title, like the format. So we can do that in developer. Here we have for restrict editing. But first, before we do that, we need to turn off the design mode. Okay. Then click the restrict editing. In this example, we only allow the tool allow filling forms. Also, we need the started. Click it. The ask a password, but it's optional. We just click OK. Then we are done. So let's save it. Then close it. Then when we open a new file, like here, we can choose person, and where is the market. here, this is what we just created. Double click it, then make it a little small. Then we can type the name, like say, we can type the job title. We can choose the extension. Here, extension, like the date, you can choose it. The branch, any location, like Westboro. The salesperson, like Mike. The top three, first one, we want to go, like Mansfield. Second one, where we want to go, like Corning. And we have Westboro. For the picture, you can choose any picture. You can have those pictures from Windows. And for activities, you can choose any activity apply. For common, say so you can say when we move away, we will have uppercase. So that is the video how we can use Word 2013 to create a template